Like it look like you care. Know you wasn't there. I see some youngins die doing the wrong thing. I'm going down the path, hoping the wrong way. Stand on the stage, jump in the crowd. You said you love me, but where are you now? I hold my head up, I can't hold it down. Cause I was there, but can you want around? I pack a Uzi, think I'm stupid, I'ma pull it. I've been chillin', but don't make me get on bullshit. I got a 40 and you know it got a full clip. Yeah, cause nigga know it's you and me, you and me. You know I'm a bigger dog, different breed. You know how a nigga bleed in my jeans. You know how I should come and what it seems. I know niggas frontin', they be capping for the gram. You know who I am, change me, that make me a man. Nigga, I hold it down and I stick to the plan. Boy, I got a 40, better dodge, we gon' ram. I don't give a fuck about shit, better move with cautious. I don't give a fuck, I know the police be stalking. We'll take your block, got them shits, bitches all shit. I be off them perks, sometimes I feelin' nauseous. Nigga, I know you talking on that face shit. All I gave you love, nigga, I can feel the hate shit. So I'ma love you from a distance, and I'ma keep it real, big dogs, you know we vicious. We do more biting than barking. I up the 40 and spark it. We miss some shots, we spin the block. Fuck out, I might hop out and park it. Nigga, you can look me in my eyes and see I'm beaming, nigga. Then you look me in my eyes and say don't squeeze it, nigga. I was down broke, how the fuck you leave me, nigga? Nigga, like, I been did that to you. Turn your bag, nigga, but it's all cool. Still bagging chips, a nigga counting the blues. I am the shots, a nigga won't have a clue. Swerving to lanes, a nigga, I drop the roof. I let it Henny, but I'm straight off the juice.